The most difficult stage today is the night stage. To lost here, you can everywhere and don't find a way home. I hope we'll be in finish in 1 hour. We had not very perfect day, really fast day, but the belt is down, so we're down in the racer list. So now to go up, need to go up. So we need to work hard.
So we just finished the night stage. It was absolutely crazy stage, and banners are very fast.
The track was really dangerous. We saw
A lot of bumps,
a lot of crashes. We saw some big crashes. The buggies after crash. It was really slippery, but we had a really great grip. Yes, our tires worked perfect. We are really happy about that.
For me, this night stage was very hard because I lost one corner, and when searching the correct track, and every participant, same like me, at the labyrinth, searching this corner, and then I think need backtrack and find my corner. So I reached the finish, lost 23 minutes, but ATV is here, I'm here.
Amazing, she did an awesome job. It's unbelievable. I don't know, maybe 13 overtakes only in 50 kilometers. Wow, crazy. The speed, everything was perfect. I don't know.
Anton is absolutely wild at night. He's not driving so fast at day, like fast at night. Amazing.
In overall, we have a second place.
Yes, in overall, second place.
Yes,
Today.
it's a really big win for us, for our team. In side-by-side class, we have a second place in overall with cars, where we have a Toyotas and other big brands. We have a third place. It's really great.